guys, today I'm here with my first wig. It says quality wigs for beginners. I love the packaging. It gives me this sophisticated vibe. It's just so clean and it's effortless, and I like the logo. I don't know, I really like it. I look and I see edge control. It says perfect hold, no residue. Yeah, so I got that. And then I see the wig. I also got one of these flyaway tamer. Always good to get those. I got an edge brush, and they sent me a little pouch. That's the last thing in there. It's branded My First Wig. This is cute. Alright, always love getting these rat tail combs. So this one is branded My First Wig. Always love getting those. And I got some of my favorite clips to get. These, I can't have enough of these. So that's everything that came in the pouch. So now let's look at the wig that we got. I like the little pouch. They also gave me a wig cap. Okay guys, so you know I've been getting a lot of like colored wigs. Well, not a lot, but I've been really, you know, giving you guys a lot of color since recently, and this has been a very popular color, one of the more reoccurring colors since recently, the burgundy vibe. So this wig is actually streaked with that color, so that's different for me. It's not too out there, it's still muted, but you can still see it. The hairline looks good, it's pre-plucked, and I also noticed that the knots are definitely bleached, honey. You don't need to go in here and bleach it anymore. I like how the knots are bleached already. It's a free parting. It's a full-on lace front wig. I prefer getting lace fronts because I can be more, you know, I can do more with it. But yeah, so that's how inside look. I got extra elastic band in here for more security if you want to go ahead and do a full-on glueless, adhesive-less kind of vibe. A total of 3 combs come in the cap and adjustable straps, and that's how it looks. Pretty neat construction. This week is all about colors. It's springtime, honey. It's going into spring, so I'm giving you that vibe, you know. Also this wig is 18 inches long. It's very manageable length, and it's a medium cap size. It's also a Swiss lace. I forgot to mention that to you guys because I love, my favorite lace to get is Swiss lace. So Swiss lace right through. It's just so easy to melt into the skin, and it looks so natural. So natural look. You see, like when I apply it, you're gonna see. But I love getting Swiss lace. My favorite. Well, you just have to be more careful with it because the lace is easier to tear. So when if you're going to pluck it, like, you don't want to add too much tension. It can tear the lace. It's very delicate. So you want to be mindful of how you carry it and when you're washing it and all those stuff. It's actually a side part, not a center part. Once I slipped it on, I realized that it's a side part, so I'm not mad at that at all. So we're doing a side part today. Also, it's very snugged on my head because the extra elastic band that's on the inside, I didn't take it out or anything. I didn't remove it, so it's like if you don't really want to go in with any adhesive, you don't have to. You really don't have to at all.
Cause those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from this high.
because it's a little bit too straight for me here. So what I said I'm going to do is, like, I did this before. It's like I make like little like triangles in the hairline, that is, and then I create like a graduation from that. So this is enough, and I would like create a graduation here. I get my tweezers and I'm going to pluck within that area and give it a graduation.
Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Just the two swoops, not doing a lot of baby hairs. So I'm going to just lay the front, you know, with my wax, so it looks really flat and laid, but I'm in love with the hairline. Very undetectable. And the part is already here. Straightening this, getting it bone straight. Let me get up close and show you the lace. So this is one of my #1 things why I love the lace so much, Swiss lace, because it's really like undetectable, like it's highly undetectable. So I really love that about it. It's just my favorite. You just have to be super careful with it because it's more delicate than the other ones. It can tear easily, so you want to be mindful of that.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. This high. Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. I'm with you. I'm with you.
apply. It really didn't take me a long time at all. The quality, like, you can feel that it's of good quality. Like, it feels really good. It's really silky. It's like butter. Like butter. Look at that. The movement is light. The luster is pretty. My first wig, definitely I feel like this wig is the bomb, especially if you're looking to get a wig for the first time. If you're a straight texture kind of girl, you know, I feel like this is so good. And Swiss lace, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I really feel like this is another one of those colors that is very much appropriate for, like, if you're in corporate, like for those office people, you know, you can't really wear too much of a loud color, but you're probably tired of black hair or the regular 1B and you want to add a little tips or something. This is very muted. The burgundy is very muted, and I feel like it can definitely work. It's really nice. It's really nice. It's so sleek. You just feel, you know, put together. Yeah, I love the vibe. So I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check this out if you're interested in getting it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was informative, you know, if you like this look, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And yeah, just go and make up on yourself. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.